Hey, it's your friendly neighborhood glow-getter here, ready to dive into the secrets of unleashing your inner glow. Are you ready to transform your life? I mean, really flip it upside down in the best way possible? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to guide you through 5 powerful steps that are not just life-changing, they're life-revolutionizing. First up, step 1. Embrace the power of positivity. Yes, it sounds like a poster in a dentist's office, but hear me out. Every morning, instead of scrolling through your phone, try naming 3 things you're grateful for. It could be as simple as coffee, your comfy bed, or even the fact that your socks match today. Gratitude is the first sparkle of your inner glow. Moving on to step 2. Set goals that actually excite you. Forget those boring, old-school goals like lose weight or save money. I want you to think bigger and funnier. How about become a karaoke champion or learn to bake the world's best chocolate cake? Make your goals so exciting that you jump out of bed to achieve them. Now, step 3, learn something new every day. This doesn't mean you have to hit the books and study like you're back in school. No way! I'm talking about fun learning. Listen to a podcast about underwater basket weaving, or watch a documentary on the secret life of sloths. Keep that brain of yours sparkling with curiosity. Step 4, give back. And no, you don't need to start big. Help an elderly neighbor with groceries, join a community cleanup, or simply pay a compliment to a stranger. Small acts of kindness are like high-octane fuel for your inner glow. Trust me, it's contagious. And finally, step 5. Reflect and recharge. Every day, take 10 minutes to just be with yourself. No phones, no distractions. Reflect on what went well, what made you laugh, and what you're looking forward to. This quiet time is your secret weapon to maintaining that glow. So there you have it. 5 steps to not just improve your life, but to make it glow with excitement, kindness, and learning. Start small, think big. And remember, the only one who can unleash your inner glow is you. Now go out there and shine. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Your support really lights up my day. Until next time, keep glowing.